Hi, welcome back to my channel. This time I'm sharing a recent favorite recipe of mine, which is this edible brownie batter for one. It takes under 10 minutes and is totally safe with no eggs and heat-treated flour. It can also easily be doubled or tripled to share with friends. Keep watching to learn how to make it. The ingredients for this recipe are 4 tablespoons flour, 2 tablespoons cocoa powder, pinch of salt, 3 tablespoons of softened butter, 4 tablespoons sugar, 1/4 teaspoon vanilla, 3/4 tablespoons milk, and 3 tablespoons semi-sweet chocolate chips. Let's get started. So before we begin, we have to either microwave or bake our flour. This kills off problematic bacteria, which can make you sick. You'll want to have it reach an approximate temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit or about 71 degrees Celsius. A good rule of thumb is to microwave for 30 seconds on high, stir well, and microwave again for another 30 seconds. Afterwards, whisk or stir the flour well until it's fine in texture. Add in cocoa powder and salt. Let this cool, and in a separate bowl, mix the butter and sugar together until it's nice and creamy. Add in the vanilla and milk. Now combine the two mixtures in one bowl. If needed, you can add another tablespoon of milk to soften the dough. I also recommend to add some sort of topping. This can be chocolate chips, M&Ms, sprinkles, or really anything you'd like. This is literally making me want to go make another bowl. It looks so good. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you. If you'd like to support me in this channel, I'd love it if you would like this video and subscribe. But this is totally optional and you do not have to do anything if you'd like not to. Have an amazing day and I'll see you next time. Bye!